What is up, guys? Today we will talk about how you guys can set up Coinbase wallet. Well, the process for that is pretty simple. You just have to come to Google, search for Coinbase wallet extension. So I'm just going to search for that and you'll be able to see this thing popped up. Just click on this, Chrome Web Store and you will be at this page. Here, click on this add to Chrome and this will be added to your Chrome as an extension. Once your Coinbase wallet extension is added up, process further is pretty simple. So I'm just going to go to the Google just to make it more simpler. Here, just click on this extension which is just installed. So I'm going to click on this Coinbase extension wallet and there you go. The extension will pop up. Here I'm going to click on this create new wallet and then I'm going to click on this copy to clipboard. This is actually your secret key. Just copy or save it somewhere where you will be able to use it later on. So I'm just going to click on this I understand and then I'm going to click on this continue. Now they want me to verify what was written in there. So I know what was written there because I have just copied it and I pasted it on my other screen. Now I will just select first and the last word. Now I know the first word is this and then I'm gonna find out the last word and the last word is this. So you just have to know according to you and then click on submit. And there you go. They want you to enter the password. Now just enter a right password without any problem. Just use some small letters and some capital letters and don't forget to include a symbol as well because that makes your password very strong. Now I think I just miswrote it, so I'm just gonna write it once again. As you can see, I just did that. Now I'm gonna click on this I agree to terms and then click on submit. And there you go. Your wallet is ready to use. So that's very much it. That's how you'll be able to set up your Coinbase wallet. Hope you guys find this video helpful.